Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Diagnostics Policy Service is not running in Windows 11. Go to the Windows Start menu and type Services in the search bar. Click on the Services app from the search results to open the Services Manager window. In the list of services, locate Diagnostic Policy Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, set the Startup type to Automatic. If the service is not currently running, click the Start button to start it. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Close the Services window. Go to the Windows Start menu and type CMD or Command Prompt in the search box. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, type the following command: net local group administrators / add network service and press enter. Now enter second command net local group administrators / add network service and press enter. Now enter the third command net local group space. Now copy the second command and paste it here. Once the command is executed, you can close the command prompt window. Hope this video has helped you fix the problem of Diagnostics Policy Service not running in Windows 11. If you liked the video, like it, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to it. Thanks for watching.